These are our tappet adjustments here. Obviously this is the intake side and this is the exhaust side. Now I will flash up the specs from the manual. Now intake side is 0.08 millimeters and the exhaust side is 0.2 millimeters. Top dead center is where these two lines here and here line up with the engine block, not directly vertical 90 degrees, so line it up with there, and it's where you can wiggle and wiggle both valves. That is our 0.08 millimeter and it is perfect. It's fitted in there and there is just a little bit of bite in there. This exhaust valve does not want to be 0.08, it wants to be 0.2 of a mil. So now what I need to do is very carefully undo that locking nut and then loosen this top piece. Now the difficulty is tightening down the lock nut without turning this adjusting piece further. All right, 9 millimeters. Okay, that was nice and tight, wasn't it? Now we are looking at the top here to make sure that that's not actually turning. Okay, that's nice and loose now. I really don't think that needle nose pliers are the way to go. There is a proper tool that you can buy to do this exact job. It's like a little adjusting wrench. Okay, that is marginally too tight. I cannot actually squeeze the feeler gauge in there. Okay. It is loose enough to turn by hand, which is where you've got a bit. Oh, look at that. That is perfect. That is spot on. So, provided I can nip this down without yes. We've adjusted that and there is just enough bite on there to a little bit of resistance. And just to confirm, that is our 0.2 millimeter feeler. And there is our 0.08 millimeters. And so let's just feed that back in there to confirm. A little bit harder with the thinner gauges because they are flimsy, but again, I did not need to make a single adjustment on these valves.